Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the blue light filter or the reading mode on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to display and brightness. Then over here, scroll down one more time in order to find the reading mode. And if you go over here, you can turn on and off the reading mode. If the reading mode is enabled, then you have two modes. We have cycle and classic. In addition to that, we can tap on this arrow for the classic mode in order to find some additional customization options. For instance, we can choose colors to have full colors, light colors, or even black and white. We have the texture over here and the color temperature, so we can have the screen a little bit more yellowish or more bluish. And let's restore default. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course, if you want to, you can also create a schedule when the reading mode should be enabled and disabled. You can have a custom period, so you can decide when exactly the reading mode should be enabled and when disabled, or you can use the good night's read, where the reading mode will be enabled automatically after the sunset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!